Hello folks, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you some healthy recipes that I enjoy making when I don't feel like cooking. So let's hop right into it. So first up is a tortilla pizza. I'm just slicing up my veggies, some mushrooms, some zucchini, some red onion. Now I'm taking some plain hummus. I tried this with garlic hummus and roasted red pepper and it's absolutely delicious. Marinara sauce if you have it. And I just top it with the veggies and some nutritional yeast for a cheesy flavor. And I'm adding some spinach on top. And I bake this in my toaster oven, and now I'm just adding a few dashes of hot sauce. And that is it. Tortilla pizza, easy and delicious. Next up is a chickpea cucumber salad. I'm just dicing up some cucumbers, some tomatoes, red onion, avocado, and I'm adding in a half a can of chickpeas. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, some sea salt, black pepper, garlic powder, a little bit of cayenne if you like a hint of spice, and a pinch of cumin. And if you want this to have more of a refreshing taste, I recommend adding some mint. It really takes it to the next level and it's delicious. I got this vegan feta from Aldi's. It was okay. I prefer the Violife vegan feta, but it did the job and it was pretty tasty in it. So next I'm just cutting 2 corn tortillas into triangles and I'm going to put it in the toaster oven to crisp up. I'm just spraying on a little bit of oil and sprinkling on some sea salt. And I burnt some of my tortilla chips, but it's okay. Most of them survived. This is really a refreshing and healthy snack. I really enjoyed it. Next, I made a banana granola cereal with chia. Very simple. I just sliced up some bananas and I'm adding some granola / cereal. It's like a banana cluster type thing. And I'm just going to sprinkle some chia seeds over the top, adding some oat milk, and that's it. Normally I'll add some blueberries, but I didn't have any fresh fruit. But this is very simple and a great breakfast or snack. Next I made a vegan Alfredo out of coconut milk. So I'm sauteing 1 yellow onion until it's translucent, and now I'm adding some garlic. Let that cook down for about 30 seconds, adding 1 can of full fat coconut milk, 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, teaspoon of sea salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm just giving that a whisk. Now I'm adding 4 teaspoons of tapioca starch, and I'm going to whisk this vigorously on medium-high heat until it begins to boil. I let it boil for about 30 to 40 seconds, and then I take it off the flame, and I'm adding it to my steamed broccoli and fettuccine pasta. This dish was really hearty and delicious. So easy to make. I literally just threw everything in a saucepan, let it get nice and hot and thick, and poured it over my noodles. I definitely recommend trying this out if you love Alfredo. Until then, I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, I appreciate it if you like, commented, and subscribed. I'll see you next time. Bye.